Hi everybody, I'm redoing my unboxing. I did this yesterday. I tried uploading it all day till this morning and it just wouldn't. So I deleted it and I'm just gonna do a quick flip through of this and point out a few really spectacular things about this book and deck. This is a pip deck. It comes with an extra 3 of cups card from Baba Studios. And it is a Rider-Waite card. It has 3 mermaids drinking together, them socializing their tribe. And what I wanted to show you about this box, well, here's like this. So it's a great box, but look at the gold foiled dots. They like so sparkle. Just catch it just right. It's like he's got lightning bugs all over him, or it's just so cool. I love that. See, even on his feet. And the fool has an orange cat. Oh, and this book is really, I think, going to be a wonderful book. Has lots of art and things to go with the cards. Okay. It also has the the Rider-Waite-Smith meaning, upright and reversed. It has the Tarot de Marseille meaning, upright and reversed. And then it also has the meaning for Baba Studios. Or was that just... or for this deck? Specific mythical creatures meaning. How come I didn't see it for that one? Maybe they just don't give it for the pips, specific mythical creatures meaning. Okay. But I thought that's cool. You get, 2, Rider-Waite-Smith or Tarot de Marseille meanings. It's got a lot of great stuff in here, plus artwork that reminds them of this card, like the phoenix, the firebird. Just so cool. So I got a lot of new reading to do in this book. So let's just take a quick look at this deck, because I did this unboxing already, but it didn't work. So it comes with a regular black and white book. Here's the extra card. So when you first look at this card, it looks very green, the border. Then if you catch it just right, it has this metallic blue sheen. It just sparkles. And then it has this cold press method that keeps it there. It will not scratch off. Is that beautiful? What? This is the extra card. Here they tell you to enjoy the extra card, use it in your deck, or use it as a bookmark, or put it on your wall. Here's the face card. And they had another person to work with them on this, Elena, Kozachuk. Oh, here's the backs. So you've seen this. I'll try to give it so you can see the blue in it. I just want to go through it kind of quickly and make sure this actually uploads this time, because the last one did not upload at all. Here's the Empress with the baby already, not waiting to be born, because she's Mother Nature. And here's the Emperor as the bull. And the Hierophant, and I think that's the Centaur is there. Hope you're catching the blue. Oh, there I got it on the bottom. Got some on the top. The Lovers. It's like the Little Mermaid. A mermaid and a human in love. The Chariot. Looks like Poseidon. They're riding through the water. A rooster is strong enough to sit on a lion and calm enough. Oh, look at this, the Hermit. The Hermit is a dragon with his gold, lighting his path, keeping his mind busy. The dragon looks pretty happy. Maiden, crone, or mother, maiden, mother, and crone. For the Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Hangman. She looks like a green woman. No, that's a green man. Death. It's like a rooster, dragon, and snake tail. This is Mythical Creatures. Like, here's a masculine, feminine head, Temperance, with wings. So much to read, and they don't even know what they all represent right now. The Devil. Check out the Tower. An octopus, huge octopus, like from the way deep, eating a huge pirate ship. Oh, it's not a pirate ship. It's a pretty grand ship. Ooh, a unicorn. The Moon, a werewolf. See the blue coming in? Over here is just green. Blue. Firebird. Here's the Phoenix. For the Judgment. And the World. Here's the Wands. So, this is a pip deck. You're not going to get a picture. You're going to get one one wand for an ace with, some cool little intricate curly cues and stuff. This has a metallic sheen in it too. See, 2. And every single card through the pips is like this. 3, 1. And you'll find that in other pip decks too. They'll have a, different coloring, but the pattern is the same. And they'll, use a different head or leaves. We got the basic pattern of the wands, coins, swords, and cups. It's not Waite Smith. My mouth is not working with me. 8, 9, 10. Page. Knight. We've got a lion and a goat's head. A snake wrapped around them. Queen of Wands. On a genie. And of course the fire, because it's wands. Now we're in cups. Oh, it's a mermaid down here with a split tail. Three, 4, 5, 6. Mermaid and mermaid. I think they're both mermaids. 8, 9, 10. Here we have the feminine and the male. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King. Ace of Swords. I'm just going through these quickly today, hoping this video uploads. And if it does, the next time I do an unboxing, then I'll do it the regular way. 4 of Swords. 3 of Swords. 6 of Swords. So I'm holding it like this. So you get the blue, the metallic showing on the right hand side, and you get the regular coloring right here on the left hand. So that you'll see how the metallic shows up when you flick it around in the light. Eight of Swords, 9, 10, Page, beautiful fairy, a Pegasus for the knight, Queen of Swords, King of Swords, Pentacles are coins, Ace of Coins, this has a lot of gold in it, but it still gets the blue on the green. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page of Coins. Cool, he has red hair like me. Knight of Coins. Knight. Oh, look at her. Queen. Gorgeous. She's a tree. And the King of Coins. I hope you're all doing well and you're safe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care and keep being safe, everybody. Bye.